Welcome back to OnTarget with Archer. I'm Stacy Bresler, managing partner here at Archer Energy Solutions. And this is a brand new month. It's August. And I want to talk about something we don't discuss nearly enough in cybersecurity, and that is trade-offs. One of the biggest misconceptions I encounter is the idea that more security is always better. Sounds reasonable, right? After all, if one security control is good, wouldn't adding another make the organization even more secure? Well, not necessarily, especially in critical infrastructure. In traditional IT environments, adding security controls often has relatively little impact on day-to-day operations, but in OT environments, every decision likely has a consequence. Require too many authentication steps, and operators may struggle to respond quickly during abnormal operating conditions, for example, or lock systems down too aggressively and routine maintenance becomes more difficult. Delay changes until every possible risk has been eliminated, and you may inadvertently increase operational risk by keeping outdated systems in service longer than absolutely necessary. That's because cybersecurity isn't the only objective. Reliable operations matter. You got to think about safety. That matters also. Availability of these environments is incredibly important, and sometimes those priorities compete with one another. That doesn't mean security becomes less important. It just means that security has to be implemented with a lot of thought. You have to be thoughtful about this. And one of the things I enjoy most about working with organizations across the electric, oil and gas, water, or wastewater, and telecommunications sectors, whatever the critical infrastructure is helping leadership navigate those decisions. Rarely is the question, should we improve security? Of course we should. It's almost a dust statement. The real question is, how do we improve security without creating unnecessary operational risks? That's a much more difficult conversation. Matter of fact, it's incredibly difficult. It's also a much more valuable one. This is where risk management becomes more than a compliance exercise. It's a decision-making process. Every control has a cost. Sometimes that cost is born from financial situations. Sometimes it's operational complexity. Even sometimes it's, additional training, or sometimes it's reduced flexibility. The goal isn't to eliminate every single risk. The goal is to reduce the risks that matter most while preserving the organization's ability to operate safely, reliably, and efficiently. The most mature organizations I work with understand this balance. They don't chase every new security recommendation simply because it's available. They ask thoughtful questions. They ask questions like, what problem are we solving? What risk are we reducing? Or perhaps they ask, what operational impact should we expect? Or is there a better way to achieve the same objective? That's a big one. Those are leadership type questions, and they're the questions that lead to better cybersecurity programs. As we begin this month's series, I'd encourage you to think differently about security. Take some time. Think about, what you're trying to accomplish. Don't measure success by the number of controls you've implemented. Measure your success by whether your organization has become more resilient without sacrificing the mission it exists to perform. Because in critical infrastructure, cybersecurity isn't about building the most restrictive environment. It's about building the most resilient one. That's it for this episode of OnTarget with Archer. I'm Stacy Bresler. Until next time, remember, the best cybersecurity decisions aren't the ones that eliminate every risk. They're the ones that strike the right balance between protecting the organization and enabling it to fulfill its mission. Thank you very much.
Don't miss out on any of our insightful content. Hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay informed whenever we release new videos. For top-tier security solutions, Archer is your trusted partner. Explore our offerings at archerint.com and get in touch via email or phone to fortify your company's defenses. Your questions drive our content. Leave them in the comments below and join us every Monday for a fresh episode of On Target with Archer.